all about solving exponential equations, but only a very specific type of exponential equation. So you guys see the variables in the exponent, right? Okay, so we can't just like divide or add, subtract like you're used to doing. We need to figure out something to do with those exponents. So the only strategy you have to use today is you have to make the bases match on the two sides of your equal sign. So what base do you think I want to use in this one? Do you guys have it written down yet? I'll give you a second. Write down the first one for me. Okay, guys, what base should I use on both sides of my equation? 2, yes. So 2 to what power is 4? Okay, so isn't this really 2 squared to the 3x? Okay, and then the other side, 2 to what power is 8? So that's 2 cubed to the 3x minus 2. You with me there? Okay, now you just have to use your exponent rules. So when I have a power to a power, what am I doing? So the left side, are we okay with that's 2 to the 6x? And what would the right side be? 2 to the what? 9x minus 6. Good, you have to distribute it. Okay, once we're there, our bases are the same, right? So what do you think I can do with the exponents? Yeah, set them equal to each other. I can ignore the base because the only way for this to be true is if my exponents equal each other. And then you're back to just solving a very simple equation. I'm going to have negative 3x equals negative 6. Are you guys okay with x equals 2? Make sense? Questions on the first one? Okay, we're going to do, I have 5 examples for you up here, but that is the general idea on all of them. Make the bases match, use your exponent rules, solve the little equation that you set up. Okay, so it's really not bad. All right, so you guys try number 2 for me. Oh, and guys, a tip with the bases, always go to the smaller number. So like, don't try to turn a 9 into an 81. Go with the smaller number, and also don't ever pick a fraction as your base. Use just a nice whole number. So I'll give you guys a second. Try this one. What base do you guys want to use? 3. Did anybody use 9? Yeah, 9 is fine. 3 is fine. You'll get the same answer either way. And it's okay to get weird fractions as your answers. That happens a lot with these. Talk to each other, see if you agree.
Do like October 3rd, so the Thursday before.
Oh, you didn't shoot this.
Do you know finally? All right, I'm going to go through with base 9, but if you did base 3, you would get the exact same answer. Are you guys okay with me just going ahead to my equation at this point? We understand what's happening here. Okay. I get 7 halves. Yes? Walking around looked like most of you were there. Did you get there, Griffin?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. All right. You weren't nodding with any sort of enthusiasm. All right, questions so far? Easy so far? Like not bad, right? Okay. Uh-oh. It's just gone in the abyss over there.
No, I see it. I'm just too late.
All right, try number 3 for me. So guys, a couple things you could do here. You could try to make all of these base 5, or could we do something with this times 25 right from the start? Divide, right? So then you've got 125 to the 2x plus 2 equals 1. How do you make something to an exponent equal 1?
0.
Yep, so think about that. Sorry guys, I have a cold. So it's actually really simple. So you get the whole, okay, so 125 is 1 half. The exponent. So, no, that's not quite right. So the exponent is 2x plus 2, right? 2x plus 2, that's the easy. This is okay.
And then we're gonna make one if the exponent is 0. This is 1. That number is 0.
Not there. Not there.
I'll do it up there too. Did you get it? Good.
Are you okay? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. Okay.
It's 2x plus 2.
Oh.
But otherwise, this?
Here, yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought it like you fell over.
Oh, I'm just gonna talk. I'll just go to
It's just right there.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, so I'm thinking, so would the zero go all the way to the outside, or would it go?
So it just means, like, what is 125 to 0? 1. Okay.
Wow.
So
But it's not 125 to the 0. It's like 2x plus 2. So what is that 2x plus 2?
Zero.
Yes. That would be that.
Okay, whatever, Marty. I agree with this one.
All right, let's go through this. I think everybody was okay to hear. Now guys, what this means for something to equal 1, it has to be raised to the 0 power, right? Okay, so this right here has to be 0. So that's the little equation you're solving. And we end up with -1. Okay, once you saw the whole 0 thing, we're okay? All right, guys. Remember, do not pick a base that is a fraction. Please. I know, but I'm just watching you not write it down right now. Okay. So go ahead, jot it down. See if you can pick a base that'll work for both sides. Are you picking 2 as a base?
Yeah.
You could have picked 4 as a base. But you can use 2.
It's okay. I already got this.
Okay, yep. You've committed to 2. That's fine. Guys, pick 2 or 4 as your base. Please do not pick 1/64 as your base. Don't do it. It's really ugly. It just doesn't work very well. Talk to each other. You have a question, Griffin?
Figure out.
Okay. You're like, what base do you want to get? 4 or 2? So the right side's done. 4? How would I make that 64 go to the what do I have to do with my exponent? Yeah, so this is really right here. So this side is really. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
No.
I feel like mine looks a lot more I probably just can't multiply 2 times 20. That's why I messed up the last time. I still got it wrong. I can't multiply little numbers.
Seeing weird fractions, which is fine, but I'm seeing different weird.
Addition. I still did not. I got I don't know. Oh wait, no, you get the number. Okay, so we're not
I think it's either
Yeah, okay,
that's right.
Really?
Because if you should look at it, plug it in and
that's what I got. I actually got it before. It's in my phone. I must have put it out there. In my thing, I had this one. I had Brandon's fine written down, and then when I had fine written down, obviously it was fine. I just so I found out that one. Oh yeah, I almost did that one. Because that one's for me. I wrote Brandon's fine.
Good. Yeah. Okay. Did you get there?
oh yeah.
Oh, okay. Great, I'm consistent with my wrongness. Let's see. Oh. If you bring the 4x over, would that be negative 10x? And then 12 over negative 10 would be, yeah. Alright guys. Base 2, base 4, either way works. I'm going to go ahead and do base 4. Are we okay with that? We understand now the fraction comes from the negative exponent. We get that? Okay. So I've got negative 3x minus 9 equals 2x minus 3. Negative 5x equals 6. Negative 6 fifths for amp. Yeah? Okay. One more, guys. You got there. All right, one more, guys. Base is 3.
For this.
Getting base 3 this time.
Oh, yeah. I got 4 of them.
It's like a weird fraction.
I think it's the 23 or
So yes, those are the kind of answers that make you doubt what you're doing.
It is 23.
Actually, just pause. Okay. All right, guys. Base 3. And then 3 to the 4th is 81. So I've got negative 6x plus 3, 4x minus 20. Negative 10x. So 23 over 10. Yes? Okay. All right. Before we get to the homework, guys, we're going to play one quick little game. It's not the bluffing game today. Let's see. So that side, all 7 of you over there, you guys are team 1. Let's see. Since we're missing a bunch of people, this is probably not really. All right, we'll go this. Lexi's not really playing. All right, you big blob of people in the middle. You're a team, and then you guys are a team. So we only have 3 teams. All right, so let me explain the way this one works. Everybody starts with 10 points, okay? I'm going to put a question up. If your team gets it right, you have to decide if you want to add 1 point to your total or shoot something that I will find for you into a recycling bin here. And if you make it, you get to take 3 points away from another team. Okay? So you can add 1 to yours or subtract 3 from someone else. You got it? Yes. I forgot to bring in my little tiny. So we get to use a recycling bin today. Make sense? And you're working as your team. So again, big blob of you in the middle. You're all one team, even though you're kind of spread out. 3 teams. Yeah.
Oh, is it like whoever gets first?
No, so you'll do it on your whiteboards. Your team will agree on the answer. I'll check all 3 teams. If everybody gets it right, you can decide shoot or 1 point. Yeah. Well, then those 2 get to add a point or shoot. The missing team gets nothing. All right, let's solve. Okay, I gotta solve these 2. All right, guys, there's the first one. So everybody should be doing them, but then you're agreeing as a team as to what the answer is. I know we don't have that much time, so we'll just get a couple. What? Okay, we'll hear in a little bit. Okay. talk to each other, see if you agree. Yesterday I had Is this your water bottle? No?
I do like there's always
Water in it. Are your teams ready yet? It's way more fun if you get one. All right, everybody have an answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can they start?
Yeah, I'm looking at everyone's. Oh, like for food, just yeah.
We'll go.
All right, show me your. Everybody show. Yes. Your sheet might need to swap. You don't all have the same thing right down. All right, we'll give you guys credit. Okay. All right. Over there, are you shooting or taking your own point?
Yeah, we're
I know yesterday I made it too hard and no one made it. So we'll say like from this desk, you can't bank it so it's a little harder. So like this line right here. See this crack?
I'll shoot.
All right. Middle, you guys are shooting? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Shooters. Hold up.
John, you're shooting. I don't. Can you shoot with something?
No, this is what we're shooting. That's what makes it funny. No water. It's harder this time.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm not going
first. I'll go first.
All right. This is your line.
I gotta see how the physics works.
Yesterday I had an empty like water thing.
That's nothing in it.
I know.
No, you got it.
Okay. What about here?
Yep.
Sure.
Don't do that.
No water. No bank shot.
Actually below me.
Guys.
NBA.
Alright, let's do one more, guys.
Can we do like 0.5? Yeah, that's great.
Let's do. That's too easy.
That's nothing.
I know we only have like a minute.
These are racers.
All right, guys. Thanks. Yes. All right. I think everyone should shoot again. Bring up the shooters. That line. Yep. It's odds on the homework and spell rings, guys.
Track.
Wait, what?
Your team already shot.
He's an art team.
Just practice.
He transferred.
You literally could reach it. Like,
I know. All right, guys. We'll play again when we have more time.